It's him and I,
What's going on,
Aquemini.
YouTube? This is Marcos with Aquemini Pressure Washing, and I'm here back with another video. In this video, we're gonna do some concrete cleaning on the back patio. Let's take a look and see what we have. We have just concrete just in the back of the house where we have like little tire marks because you just had grass put in. So we're gonna clean this little section right here, down at the bottom. And we're gonna make everything look brand new again. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a 3% mix to do this little section, and I'm gonna use the X-Ject to apply it. So let's get started. Okay, I did a pre-rinse to get concrete, a little moisture on it. We're gonna get that up, And I changed my mind. Since he just put fresh grass out, I'm gonna go ahead and downstream this. That way I can just take the soap and the bleach solution and get all this clean. So that's what I'm dealing with right now. I'm trying to get all this we're gonna try to get all the areas that's got mud and tracks from the tractor up and have it looking real good. So the way I'm gonna do this is, this is my downstream right here. I'm gonna take this line, put it in my bucket with my SH solution, and I'm gonna put my soap tip on right here, my black tip. I'll take my black tip and I'm gonna put it on my wand, apply the soap and let it dwell for a few minutes, like maybe 4 or 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna go back and take my surface cleaner and clean it. So let's go ahead and get everything soaked up so I can start dwelling, and we'll get this area clean. All right, everybody, we're finished with this patio area / driveway in the back of the house. Let's show you what we got. Okay, this is it. Now, If you notice in the video, I went back and applied some more soap and bleach in this area. That's because it was basically that red mud. Red mud and rust stains, they are hard to come out of concrete. What I did was I just went back and added a lot more soap to my mix. So what I'm using that soap for is just to clean everything. So this is starting to dry a little bit. We still got some red areas, but the tire marks and stuff are basically gone. They're maybe there a little bit, but this is new concrete, so you don't want to do too much on new concrete because you can probably damage concrete if it hasn't really cured or anything like that. So be careful with new concrete. Just keep your surface cleaner moving, just like if you're doing it on wood. Yeah, everything's clean. We got it and looking way better than what it was. And there's the deck. If you haven't seen the video of me cleaning the deck, I'm gonna put the little icon up in the corner where you can click on it and go check it out. All right, so back over here, we had a lot of leaves and stuff over here. It's now gone, it's clean. So now should be in good shape. I'm pretty sure the customer's gonna be happy with this. This was a pretty simple job and stuff. I got everything clean. Got all the leaves and stuff off of it. Makes it look a whole lot better. Now, if you like this video, make sure that you hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, come on, what are you waiting for? You're coming back and looking at my videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And then turn the notification button on so you can see my next video. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed this video, but wait, make sure you click on this video so you can see me do the driveway at this same house. This is Marcos from Aquemini Pressure Washing, and I'll see you in the next video.
It's him and I, Aquemini.